Yeah, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Special greetings from Auto Jandet Carnation. Yeah, today we are going to be making some check on some kind of sound perhaps we hear in our vehicle. At times, those sounds comes maybe when we enter a bad road terrain. Maybe the road is not smooth. You hear those sounds. At times, it's when you on the AC. Probably when in most cars, if you on AC, the engine is loaded, so there are some sound the engine might tend to make, and at times when you are going slowly you might tend to hear those sounds when you pay attention and other things. So let's check out those car part failure based on sound. Then we'll be able to pinpoint the kind of sound we're hearing in our vehicle. In case if there's any of these sounds you feel you are hearing in your car vehicle, please drop it on the comment section so that we'll advise you as quick as possible. We are going to guide you, tell you the basic solution, and if it's something that warrants emergency response, we are going to tell you on that. So check it out and drop your observation, what you feel your car is making. If there's any of this sound that your car is making, just drop it on the comment section below. So what do we feel about the video? I believe we'll be able to analyze if our car is in good condition with this video. If you notice anything like I said, drop it on the comment section and we are going to advise you. Follow us, Auto Jandet Carnation. Thank you.